it's almost time for us to leave, and I just do not want to leave this backyard. So a year ago, I was at the Replanted conference in Chicago, and they love to do no way gifts for foster and adoptive families. And the grand prize giveaway was for a house in Scottsdale, Arizona, of a family that rented out, but then they also like to give it away to foster and adoptive families. And Replanted threw in a $500 Visa gift card for help with travel expenses. And so we're finally using that trip because I want it. So that's absolutely crazy. I wasn't sure if we would be able to travel with kids or not, just based on everything that was going on. I mean, last year we planned it. We had different kids than we have now. And then the kids that we do have, they were only with us for a short amount of time before it was time to take this trip. And I know just how long it takes to get out of state approval. And I knew that they would be missing school and visits. And early on in the case, I didn't want to create any animosity between the parents and us. So I didn't even attempt to ask the court to have them travel with us. Oh, you might be wondering who is watching. The kids, our really good friend, is staying at our house with them. So I'm really thankful she was able to stay there, but I definitely miss them and excited to see them soon. This home was designed to help blessed families who are serving in foster care, adoption, or have special needs children. And it's called the Family Room. You can actually go online and request a stay, or you can even give some money towards it to help cover the costs for families to come here. And anyway, so I invited one of our friends who are an adoptive special needs family, and Peter and I got here early, and we went biking in Sedona. It was amazing. I'll definitely make another video about that. And then we met up with our friends and spent time with them. We also played lots of games and ate yummy food here, and I want to show you on the house here in a second. What a great time to get away. We were here for 6 days. Our friends headed out this morning. They're going on to see the Grand Canyon. Peter and I have already seen the Grand Canyon, so we didn't do that this trip, but I definitely want to show you the house because it is absolutely incredible. I mean, look at this like driveway, and it's right here in a cul-de-sac, and there's a little trail here. You can hear coyotes. Also, we saw javelinas in the backyard. It was really cool. All right, so let me show you around. All right, so of course you have some cacti up here, and this amazing huge door. Yeah, I'm actually bare feet right now, which is crazy because it's pretty hot. It was in the hundreds the whole time we were here. Just about 90 something today, so a little cooler. So you can see there's a pool right back there, which we'll get to. Over there are 2 bedrooms. I can show you them, but we actually, since we're about to leave, we actually already stripped the linens, but they're Murphy beds, which is super nice. Has an amazing bathroom. And then the master bedroom is ginormous. Oh my goodness, this thing is crazy. I mean, the bathroom itself, look at how crazy this is. It is just nuts in here. Absolutely nuts. I don't even think this video does it justice, just how huge this room is. There's an amazing room off to the side here for kids. Yep, amazing room there. And then this actually leads right out to outside, so you can go right from the master to the outside, which we'll get to. That's my favorite part. It is absolutely incredible. Over here is so cool. This is the art room, and they have cabinets with locks, and then it's labeled like paint supplies, Play-Doh, all these different things. We actually never even used this room. We were so busy with everything else. We never even used those tables, but yeah, amazing tables to eat at or play. There's Peter.
Welcome to the kitchen.
And that's amazing. I mean, Peter, have you ever felt like too tall in this house?
Not at all. It's wonderful.
I know. Like, look, like walk through that like frame there. It's crazy. You put your hands all the way up and touch?
Nope.
Wow. That's awesome. 6'4" and feels great in here. And then this area is where we hung out probably the most, just in the kitchen and these two tables, and then the outdoor space we ate a lot. The coffee bar area was amazing. I'll show you the two other bedrooms before I show you the outdoor space, which was my favorite part. This one has a Murphy bed as well, and so many amazing toys. Like this whole closet is full of different things, and it's so well labeled. So like you got the thing of Barbies, and then you got the thing of Legos and cars, dress up. We didn't even get into that bin at all. Play kitchen. So our friends, girls, had a lot of fun playing with all those toys. Then there's a Jack and Jill bathroom here. Oh, you can see something super fun. This is the fourth and final room. It also has a Murphy bed. And then look at this giant ball pit. It is so big. Isn't that crazy? Oh, man. I actually saw your sock. I don't know if anyone else saw that before I did, but there was your sock. But you could fit in the ball pit.
Crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
Massive.
Yeah. You spent a lot of time in that, didn't you?
No.
That was your first time in there. But the girls, our friends' girls absolutely loved it. Amazing washer and dryer. Out here, some ping pong. We had some great fun playing ping pong and air hockey. Okay, but now, for my absolute favoriteest spot back here. What was your favorite spot of the house, Peter?
Outside, enjoying the sound of the waterfall.
Yes, that's my favorite spot. All right, so go out here. Oh, do you hear this? We had amazing fans. We just basically spent the majority of our time out here, the patio. We grilled out a couple of times, played some cornhole over here, and hung out at the pool through this table. We played with some waterproof cards. And look, I'm gonna miss that sound. And then back here, they actually have, so it's an old like horse stable barn, and they renovated it into mini golf. And so there's mini golf holes, there's darts. The one night we were here, we saw like javelinas walking by, and that is a prickly pear cactus. One time when the teen boys, that our friends, they were playing volleyball, it like ran into the prickly pear, and they had to like do surgery on it to get all the spikes that came off. But this was such an amazing time. I'm so thankful for the family that runs the family room, and for their generosity for this place. I'll let them leave a link in the description for it. And if you want to book this place, if you're ever in the Phoenix, Arizona area, we're in Scottsdale here. Very relaxing, very amazing, very well thought out for families to come here, take a breath, have fun together, create memories. It's like less than 4 hours away from the Grand Canyon. So definitely, you could do it a day trip, or you could take one day to go there. But yeah, awesome. Oh, there's even tetherball over here. Peter and me and the teen boys, we had a game of tetherball. Oh my goodness, I might actually be like a little bit like bruised here, because one time it hit me in the face and it wasn't even that hard. We were like knocking this thing. We only played one game because we're like, if we play any more games, one of us is going to get hurt. Absolutely incredibly grateful and thankful for the opportunity to be at this home. And now we are on our way to drop the rental car off. And then, Peter, how are we going to get to the airport?
Waymo.
And what in the world is Waymo?
A driverless vehicle, a robot.
We are going to trust our lives to a robot. So, I'll make another video about that. So definitely subscribe, and we'll see you then.
No, nothing here is wasted. God will redeem.